Hello students, I wanted to show you how to change your profile picture in Canvas using a Windows computer. Now, I don't know if you've heard of this website or not, but it's funny, and I'd like to introduce it to you if you haven't heard of it. It's called thispersondoesnotexist.com. When you go to this website, it's artificial intelligence will create a person that doesn't exist using a lot of pictures of faces from real people. It's a little weird, a little creepy, but I think it's a fun way to show how to just change a profile picture. So let's pretend this is maybe Facebook or another social media site where you have a picture of yourself that you like. Whenever you see a picture and you're inside of Chrome, you can right click on it and you get a menu and you see this option, Save Image As. I'm going to click Save Image As, and this brings up what we call a file explorer. You're going to get a lot more familiar with this as we go through this course. But notice the first thing I did was I clicked on Documents. I've already downloaded this picture inside of Downloads, but let's do it inside of Documents just because this might be how you would do this if you were on a social media site. So let's call this John Robertson. I'm just going to be funny and put in parentheses fake. And I click this image, and it is now downloaded to my computer. Now I can go back to my dashboard, and this is the screen that you see when you log into Canvas. If it doesn't look the same, notice you can click these three dots right here, and you are probably on List View instead of Card View. I highly recommend Card View. I think it makes a lot more sense. It's just straightforward. But we actually are going to be navigating away from this, whatever it looks like. So on the left side here, you have at the very top Account. Now this already has a picture of me. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my profile right here. And here we go. When I hover my mouse over this picture, I see a little pencil. And I can take a picture because I have one, or I have a camera set up, so I could do that. I'm going to upload a picture instead, because it's just a little less straightforward and it's a better view of Windows. So let's go ahead and click Upload a Picture. And I need to click on Choose a Picture. I'm going to go to my Documents on the left. And again, this is our File Explorer. We are going to click on our picture. This is John Robertson Fake. I click Open. And now my picture is on Canvas. It gives me an option to move this around. This is very convenient if you have a big group picture and you just want to move this around. Notice that you can shrink the circle. For example, I could make my my profile picture this creepy fake smile from this person that doesn't exist. That doesn't make a lot of sense though, but do know that you can change the size of this circle to suit your needs, whatever you're doing. From here, you're going to click on Save. I'm not going to click on Save because not only is this person not me, it's a person that isn't real at all. I'm going to click Cancel here in a second. But this is how you change your profile picture using a Windows computer.